This is CCEA Pure Maths A2 level, and we're looking at some integration past paper questions. This one's from C4 June 2014, and it's question 6. The expression 7 sine x minus 24 cos x can be written in the form r sine x minus alpha, where r is an integer between 0 and pi over 2. Find r and alpha. So this is just one of our harmonics here. So r sine x minus alpha. Let's rewrite this first of all. 7 and 24, I hope you know, are two parts of a Pythagorean triple. So we could write this then as 25 upon 1 over 7 sine x minus 24 over 25 cos x. Alright, we're going to try and compare that to our r sine x. So just over to the side here, sine x minus alpha is equal to sine x cos alpha minus cos x sine alpha. It's terrible writing, apologies there, but if you compare that, so there's a sine x, there's my sine x, that means my cos alpha is a 7th, and that means my sine alpha is, sorry, wait, I've lost my mind here. It should be 7 over, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. 7 over 25 and then 24 over 25. So 7 over 25, apologies, and then 24 over 25. And so we can do the inverse cos or inverse sine to work out my angle there. Or if you want, you could divide the two of them and get your 24 over 7 to get your tan alpha. But either way, put it in your calculator and you get alpha then is going to be 1.29, and our value for r then is 25. Sorry about the wee mix up there in the middle. Hopefully that makes sense. So my value for r, it says find r and alpha, is 25, and my value for alpha then is 1.29. Hence, find this. So right, this looks daunting enough, but we'll see where we go with it. So the integral of 1 over 7 sine x minus 24 cos x all squared. All I'm doing is writing this out here. I'll move it up in just a wee second. We can obviously rewrite that as the integral of the 25 out the front, which we do need to square. So it's going to be 1 over 625, that's my 25 squared, sine squared x minus 1.29 dx. Not sure how I think I've written sine there. That's the same as 1 over 625. I'm just going to take that out of the front. The integral of, remember 1 over sine squared is cos x squared, x minus 1.29 dx. And again, it looks complicated, but if you look at your trig differentiation, if you differentiate cot, you get minus cosec. So we can just integrate this straight off. So again, just look up in your formula booklet, but if you differentiate cot, you get minus cosec squared. So if we integrate cosec squared, we're going to get minus cot x minus 1.29 plus c, and that's us.